In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tables in Coda, a powerful and flexible tool that combines the capabilities of spreadsheets and documents in one collaborative workspace. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Coda website, a place where you can manage and organize just about anything. Open your preferred browser and head over to Coda's official site. Once there, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Get Started. Go ahead and click on that. This button will lead you to the sign-in options, where you can choose your preferred method of logging in. If you want to use your Google account for a hassle-free sign-in process, click the Google option. This will redirect you to a page where you'll be asked to select the Google account you want to use. Clicking on your account will authorize Coda to connect using your Google credentials, simplifying the login process significantly. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard where you manage your projects. It's here that you'll want to select the project you're working on or create a new one if you're starting fresh. With your project open, let's add a table to help organize your data. In the project interface, type hash table into the command line. This command triggers a menu where you can select Table. Clicking this option brings up the opportunity to create a new table. Choose Start Blank to begin customizing a new table from scratch. This is where you can unleash the full power of Coda's table functionality. Next, you'll want to give your table a name that reflects its purpose. Simply click on the default table name at the top and type in the new one. This makes it easier to identify, especially in documents with multiple tables. Now let's customize the layout. You can edit the column headers by clicking on them and typing in names that better fit your data requirements. This is a flexible way to manage your data categories or fields. To add a new column, click on the plus sign next to the existing columns. A menu will appear where you can select the type of column you need. Column types can range from basic text and numbers to checkboxes and sliders, depending on how you plan to interact with your data. For this example, let's add a slider column. Selecting this option adds a responsive slider to each row in your column, which can be helpful for settings that require rating or range values. That's all there is to it. By now, you should have a fully functional table in Coda, set up and customized to meet your specific needs. Feel free to explore additional features and integrate other functionalities as you continue working with Coda. Thanks for tuning in, and happy table making.